Okay, my name is Gaudencio Tipa. I'm the Director of Culture, Kakamega County. We are here in the 9th edition of Africities Summit in Kisumu. And as a Department of Culture, we are here to showcase the heritage of our county, bearing in mind that the Agenda 2063, together with the Vision 2030 and the MDGs of Kenya, of the world, have emphasized on the need to promote our culture and preserve our cultural heritage, and also to enable the communities to be creative and add value to what they produce locally for economic empowerment. And so here we have pottery from Ilesi Pottery, where they have added value to the clay work and pottery that has been they have been doing, and through this they are able to export both locally and internationally the products. You can see they're very beautiful, and they're emulating all what we have in the community, so that we can embrace it. In as much as we embrace modernity, but in our houses we're encouraging that we put the decorations based on our culture. And also, besides that, we also have the only existing Wanga Kingdom in Kenya, that is the Wanga Kingdom. We have just come to showcase that our kingdom is real, it is still in existence, and this is the first king, King Mumia of Wanga, who was born in 1908, and he was born in 1849, and then he passed on in 1908. This was the first king of the Wanga Kingdom, and you remember the Wanga Kingdom was being ruled right from Uganda through to Naivasha. He was the king. And then here is his son, Nabongo Shitawa, who succeeded him, and he was on the throne for all these years, from 1911 to 1974. Then he was succeeded by his son, the current sitting king, Nabongo Peter Mumia, the second king of the Wanga Kingdom. He's still the sitting king. He's even at the conference as we speak. He's a retired accountant from Can General Motors. So our kingdom is real. We are trying to lure investors to come and help us put up a very good heritage site and cultural center at Nabongo Cultural Center site, so that our heritage can be preserved, and through that cultural tourism can be promoted. Thank you.
Guys, you okay now?
Yes.
They are not fluent. Oh.